Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about YouTube lead generation strategies. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. It's no secret in marketing circles that video is one of the most powerful ways to convey your message and build your brand online. Video is simply the most engaging form of content your brand can create. Don't believe me? Well, this assertion is actually backed by some pretty impressive data. According to one recent study, consumers are % more likely to share content delivered via video, % more likely to comment, and a whopping % more likely to hit the like button. To add to those impressive stats, the average internet user watches videos per month, and a recent survey by Nielsen revealed that % of marketers expect video to dominate their marketing strategies going forward. This makes video an absolute juggernaut when it comes to lead generation. Okay, so now you're convinced that you should mix video content into your online marketing strategy, right? So the next logical thing that would come to mind is creation and distribution. For distribution, you have native videos, Snapchat, Twitter and a lot of other distribution channels. However, none quite compare to the power of YouTube to get your video in front of the right audience and increase those coveted conversions that your business thrives on. Why is that? Because YouTube is the second most popular search engine in the world, only outdone by Google search. Here are a few interesting facts about YouTube. Asterisk, the site gets over million visitors per day. Asterisk, over billion minutes of video are watched on YouTube per month. Asterisk, in an average month out of year-olds watch video on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to harness the power of this world-renowned platform to generate leads for your business. Don't worry, it's actually pretty simple. Let's get started with the first step you should take if you want to generate leads from YouTube. Find the right keywords and optimize your video for YouTube's search engine. This is the most important step to generating leads from YouTube, so you'll want to spend a fair amount of time getting it right. Every marketer that's even halfway decent at his job knows that the right keywords plus optimization drives lead. Plain and simple, if you don't pick the right keywords and optimize your video for YouTube's search engine, you won't experience much success. So, you're probably wondering, how do you pick the right keywords and optimize them for YouTube's search engine? Well, the SEO tactics you use for YouTube videos are similar to the tactics you would use for the written content you want to get ranked in Google's search engine. So, if you have any prior knowledge of SEO, this should be pretty simple. The first step you want to take is to find a reliable YouTube SEO tool to add to your arsenal. There are several on the market, but the one I personally use is TubeBuddy. It comes via a Chrome extension. It's simple to use and comes with a host of useful features like video A/B testing, rank tracking, and contact information on anyone who comments on your videos, which allows you to reach out to them across multiple channels. Now that you have your tool for rank tracking and optimization and you're building a list of keywords, the next step is to make sure your videos are of high quality. The quality level of YouTube videos has steadily risen since its inception. In fact, many YouTube videos now have the production quality that rivals what you'll see on television. Luckily, due to advancements in technology, it doesn't take thousands of dollars to create a high-definition video with a taste of production value. In fact, your phone's camera is likely good enough to record videos that look very professional. The real trick is to get the lighting right. Some people use plain old daylight, which is perfectly fine. But there are professional lighting tools that are very affordable. I use the Liam Studio Video Lighting Kit. It cost under $1 on Amazon, the lights are even and bright, and it will give your videos a professional feel. But, to create videos that are truly high quality, it takes more than a high-resolution camera and good lighting. You have to edit the content. which is usually the part of producing high-quality videos that is the most difficult. You could outsource this work via Fiverr or Upwork, which is what I do. However, if you want to try your hands at editing your videos yourself, you can use two of the more popular tools for non-professionals, which are Adobe Spark and Rocketium. I've tested Rocketium, and I'm definitely a fan of the software. It's beginner-friendly and allows you to format your videos not only for use on YouTube but also Twitter and other social networks. Now you've done your SEO work, you've created a high-quality video, now let's add a few finishing touches that will help you generate some leads. Add clickable landing page and subscribe buttons to your videos. Have you ever noticed the clickable subscribe and social media buttons that overlay on many YouTube videos? Those are annotations, and you can use them to create pop-up boxes, link to landing pages, ask people to subscribe to your channel and a lot more. TubeBuddy has an annotation creation and implementation feature to streamline the process. However, you can also create your annotations within YouTube's Video Manager dashboard. Both ways are super simple. Just make sure you have external linking turned on in your YouTube account, and you should have no problems. Add a call to action to the end of your videos. I don't think many marketers would deny this. When someone watches your video all the way to the end, this signifies a high level of engagement. Which means it's the perfect time to offer them your lead magnet. You can do this of 3 ways. Asterisk via an annotation at the end of the video. Asterisk by making a verbal call to action as you finish your presentation. Asterisk with a full screen message that appears as your video ends. For the last 2 options, just make sure you put a link to your landing page in your video's description. Conclusion. It's undeniable how powerful a platform YouTube is. The tips above will help you harness this power to significantly boost the number of leads your business generates. All you have to do now is follow through. Start recording videos, upload them to YouTube, and put these tactics into action now. Thanks for watching my video about YouTube lead generation strategies. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.